Conversation is essential to our daily lives, and it's no different at work. Every day, we talk with teammates, with clients, with partners. Inside these conversations, critical information for decision making is constantly flowing, like a spring of fresh water. Work conversations are the source of unstructured data that decisions and execution depend on. MAKi automatically captures what matters from that stream and turns it into clear, executable action items. This is not just summarization. Today, we'll show you how conversations are automatically transformed into structured data and how that data turns into real execution. This is the magical moment. Someone refers back to a conversation from last week. At that exact moment, MAKi identifies the tasks and decisions embedded in that chat and instantly turns each of them into to-do tickets. Just like that, the tickets are created. No one opened a project management tool. No one copied and pasted anything. No one sent an email saying, "Please track this." And yet, the tickets already exist. They're fully trackable, with owners and due dates automatically assigned. Simple. From the list view, you can see how work is progressing at a glance. Tasks are visualized using a Gantt-style timeline and synced with your calendar, so nothing slips through the cracks. MAKi doesn't stop at text conversations. Offline conversations can be recorded, automatically summarized into documents, and converted into task tickets in the exact same way. Someone mentions an idea for a new product. Right inside the chat, you can instantly mock it up. Because MAKi understands what the team is working on, it can generate relevant visuals immediately. MAKi turns conversation into execution. It makes the hidden value inside everyday conversations actually work. Turn conversations in your messenger into real decisions and tasks. Focus on execution, not cleanup. When you work, work with MAKi.